my next guest is Henrik Levring, who is the CEO of the company called videocom.com, and who is the maker of Canvit, a video recorder app that is taking the video recording to a whole new level using AI. Henrik, would you like to talk about your Canvit and also what's the pain point that it solves in education?
Sure. So educator-created content is something that's becoming increasingly more important in education, right? But it's still difficult to create it. So even if you do have the technical skills to create a good-looking and sounding video, it still takes time to do it. You have to find just the right spot with low noise and good lighting and so forth, right? So those are exactly the pain points that Canvit is aiming to solve with AI, making it super simple and easy to create great-looking content, even in quite challenging environments, and even with no prior skills.
Great. I mean, I remember myself many times taking a video over and over again, because I did a small mistake, you go back and then you do another mistake, so it's like an endless process. I think it's a great idea. Thank you. Can you show it to us, please, if possible?
Yeah, sure. So we've got a video here with Canvid, and as you can see, Canvid allows you to record either the screen or a window, just like any other screen recorder, but that's sort of where the similarity stops. When you stop a recording in Canvid, Canvit just loads the video up and places in a background with shadows and rounded corners that you can easily just adjust and change to your liking. And if you do include a web camera, you can change the size of the web camera or the position of the camera. And you can also use Canvit's camera AI function to replace the background or completely remove it.
Wow, that's great. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, so you can also generate a transcript with the local AI, and you can use the transcript to actually navigate the video. And if you make a mistake, you can just highlight part of the mistake in the transcript and just simply press delete, and then you'll be removing that part of the content.
Cool.
So when you see those small blue boxes there, those are automatic zooms that Canvit made during recording to highlight the region of interest. You can either keep those or remove them, or just customize them as we were showing here. But let's just see a real-world example here. We all would know that. What if you don't want to record your webcam? What if you're in a bad, noisy environment? Just still get it done, and that's what I did right here. So let's just try and listen to this. Hi class, so in last week's video I promised to reveal part 3 of our coursework in algebra. Okay, let's just agree that sounds really awful and it looks terrible. But let's just spice it up. We'll just change the background really quickly and we'll crop to the content here. And then we'll just add the AI voice clarity. Now it sounds really good, but we're still missing that webcam, that personal touch. Not a problem. Even if you didn't include a webcam in your recording, Canvit lets you automatically generate a synthetic webcam by using a webcam in a prior Canvit project. So, once I select that webcam there, Canvit will now use the prior project webcam frames to generate a new camera, automatically synchronizing your face and expressions to the new audio. And all this is really very optimized to run on the Core Ultra NPU.
Wow.
So now I'm done. Let's try and hear it. Hi class. So in last week's video, Okay, that was pretty nice. Let's just try and jump forward here.
Yeah.
And 12 is an expression by itself. If this statement must be true, then we have to figure out what x must be. Okay, super cool. And in reality, that just took me 1 minute or so to transform a pretty ugly, bad-sounding video into something that's quite presentable.
Wow, that's really great. And educators, as you know, in order to do Flip Classroom and all those things, they need to record those videos. That's great. But is it only educators using it? No, in a matter of fact, it's also very much students. So we just made an agreement with a Danish company behind skoletube.dk to make Canvit available to around 600,000 educators and students a little bit later this quarter. So we're super excited about that. Wow, 600,000 educators and students will be using it.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Congratulations.
Yeah, sure.
It's a lot.
Or at least it's available to them, so
yeah,
we'll
thank you.
look forward to see that.
And also, can you talk about how you collaborated with Intel technologists in creating this application? Because I know that this works in the PC. It doesn't require a cloud connection to work.
Yeah, so it's funny you hit on that, right? Because with privacy sort of becoming increasingly in focus, and especially within education, it's really important that we can work with the AI locally without having to send user-generated content to the cloud, right? Mm-hmm. So we've basically been working with Intel on being able to execute these AI features that you're seeing there locally, and all that is optimized for the core Ultra NPU. And that's really kind of what makes it possible. We also have a cloud option that you'd have to use if you're using some older hardware to run it.
Yeah, congratulations. That's really great. And I think, possibility of moving those workloads to AI, to AI PC to the to the PC is, I think, is a great opportunity, because, as you said, it gives more flexibility to the user, and also it gives more safe privacy options, because you don't want to send all your data. And sometimes using cloud is also very costly. We know that. Yeah. And definitely, we were able to work with Canvit because of our AI PC acceleration program. Intel has a program that we work together with the software developers to bring their AI software to work on the PC as well. And here is the QR code. If you're interested, if you are a developer, or if you work with a developer, help you, they can use it, and they can work with Intel to bring their AI software.
If I can just add that some of the AI features we are seeing here, especially the synthetic webcam, is not available in the public version yet, but it will be released within the next couple of weeks. So just letting you know that in case you get disappointed to try it out.
It's great.
Yep, just a few weeks, promise.
Thank you, Henrik.